Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, we've been dumping wagons, trucks, getting ready to head back out to the field here at the 8070. Let's get old Charlie Brown here fired up. There we go. Getting ready to pull in the field here right now. Like I say, this is our last field of corn. One thing I like about this GoPro is it's got like the boost stabilization mode, and so it does make it handy because it keeps the picture pretty steady. That does make it nice. You can see right there I got a nice little chunk done on that. These rows over here, they're a good bit longer, so they go quite a ways through the field. Jumping in the old tandem here, we'll get it taken out. There we go. Say this truck, it does carry a nice load. It'll run about 650 or so not bad for load wise. In the combine now, heading up the field. One thing for sure, this big 8-row head has sure been handy. You don't see too many of them. This is an 838 corn head, and so generally most corn heads are 20 feet wide. This one here is actually 25 feet wide. So it's 5 feet shorter than a 12-row 30-inch spacing corn head. But bought it back in 2019, like I know I said before, out of northwestern Illinois. Farmer over there posted on Facebook on a Gleaner Combine Facebook group, and so my dad and I went over and picked it up and brought it home. And when I got the thing, I don't know how well you can see right there on those snouts, you can see that dark line. It was actually originally set for 36, an 8-row 36, and I actually readjusted it to 838. And so, like I said, it's been real handy. But yeah, my dad and I left out early one morning. I think we left the farm here about 6 o'clock in the morning. Headed over southwest of Rockford, Illinois. Picked it up, the guy loaded on our trailer and brought it back. I think we got home about 6:30 that evening, so big day. But yeah, we're heading back out here to the field, and so I'll be getting some more video. Alrighty, we are rolling. Another neat thing I like about this GoPro is now that I've got the GoPro Quick app on my phone, I can control the camera from my phone, and so I'll be able to take and get some outside shots and just simply take and turn the camera on and off when I want to. That way it's not recording like a whole bunch of video going through the field when I don't want doing that. So that's another neat thing. However, before I could download the app, I actually had to update the software on my phone. So I got that updated. In fact, actually, when I was at church yesterday, I took and just used the church Wi-Fi to update my software. And right there goes the beeper alarm. You can see right there on the camera, hopper's getting full.
I see a beeper, he's coming out of the rotor though.
Ah, there's the grain cart. quick inside video here inside the combine cab. I think that's about the fullest I've ever had that grain cart. It's maxed out. Not running over, but close to it. Guys, I'm going to call that an end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed the outside footage. This GoPro has been really neat. And so, this part of the field here, there's not a whole lot left. It kind of lays out in an L shape, and so we got some more old southeast over that way. But problem that we're running into, we are actually running out of bin space, which is a good thing. And trying to get different things figured out. We're actually having to take some dry corn and take it to the ethanol plant down by Logansport, Indiana, that kind of thing. And so I'll definitely be getting video footage once we get down to finishing up the corn. But I was talking to Dad earlier, and what we may end up doing is we're going ahead and throwing a couple of chisel plows on. That way we can start doing some of our fall tillage. And the reason for that is, sure enough, the ethanol plant is actually shutting down because they've been getting swamped with corn. So much so that they can't handle it all. And so it's my understanding that tomorrow they are closing down at noon, and they'll be shut down the rest of the day, and the following day they're actually closed all day. And so Yeah, so it sounds like they're kind of running into the same problem we are. They're running out of space, and of course their big dryers are all backed up and overrun, and so just trying to get a lot of logistic things figured out here is what to do. But yeah, if we get started doing field work, I'll bring you in for that as well. So take care, thanks a lot for watching, we'll see you next time.